Jenny, what happened?
Oh no, my Zoom is out.
Your Zoom is out? Oh, why? Why your Zoom is out?
I'm not.
Maybe your internet is not good. Right? Oh, maybe your signal or your connection is not good. Okay, well, anyway, let's continue, Jenny. All right, so here are the suggested answers, okay? So here there are 2 trees, but here there are 3 trees. Next, long short hair, panda kangaroo, bird no bird, and kicking and holding a ball. Okay, very good, Jenny. So you got 5 points here. Okay, so next one, Jenny. Let's talk about your weekend. Okay, now, where do you go at the weekend, Jenny? Where do you go on weekends?
I go the. I go the. I go to. I go to Philippines.
You go to Philippines, but you cannot enter Philippines yet because there's no, because there's still coronavirus.
I and the and the and the corona COVID.
Yeah, because there's still corona and COVID. Okay, now, Jenny, where do you go on weekends?
I go to barn. I go to barn.
Where do you go?
I go to park.
To the park. Okay, that's nice. So what do you do at the park, Jenny?
What?
What do you do at the park?
I play.
You play. Okay, what games do you play at the park on weekends?
I like color the animal.
You like to color the animals?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So next one, Jenny. Who do you play when you go to the park?
My family.
Your family. Okay, now tell me something about more things that you do on weekends. What else do you do at weekends?
My grandmother.
Yeah. What else do you do on weekends aside from going to the park?
We, example.
Example. When you're not playing, maybe you can go to the cinema.
To on supermarket.
You go to the supermarket. Okay. What do you do there in the supermarket?
Teacher. I go to busy.
You go to
Big C.
Big C. Or is that the name of the supermarket in Vietnam? Big C?
Yeah, here.
Ah, can I see it? Big C. Okay. So now let's go to the next part, Jenny. Now, you can see here 4 pictures, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now, Jenny, you have to make a story about the 4 pictures that you see. Okay, so here is the suggestion, okay? The girls are painting. In the living room, mom is helping them and their baby brothers watching them. Okay, now what happened, Jenny? Oh, the girls are painting and drawing. Oh, what do you think happened next?
The story.
Oh, you have to make a story.
Picture 1. The mom and children play to the color and paper.
Okay, they are drawing and coloring in the paper. Okay, what happened next?
Picture 2. The mom work in listen phone and sugar play with color the and baby chalk on the home.
On the wall. Okay, what happened next?
The baby why the baby chalk on the wall and the one girl is color.
Okay, what else? Is that all?
The number 4,
Mm-hmm.
the mom and sugar is surprise the baby jaw on the wall. It's very ugly.
Very, very ugly. Oh, and then?
And the trigger is
Oh, and the three girls.
on the scare baby and angry baby.
Oh, they are angry at the baby, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now Jenny, look at the pictures. So number 1, which one here is different, Jenny?
Okay. Baby, okay.
Okay,
Baby.
where's your answer now? Why did you erase it? Okay, so what is that?
Đi số ờ,
Oh, what is that? On the first, number 1, what is your answer?
Wait a minute.
Oh, what's your answer in number 1?
Number one. Number one.
Oh, what's that? What is your answer in number 1?
Number one. Number one is the food and one the thing is book no food.
Okay. So then what? Again. So number 1, your answer is a book, right?
Yeah.
Because why?
The food and one thing is book no food.
Okay, very good. Because a book is not a food. Okay, now number 2, Jenny.
The dirty and one is beauty.
Oh, okay. So your answer is picture number 2 because the
And
pictures are dirty, right? Why are you angry? Oh, why? Oh, don't be angry. It's okay.
my baby.
Noisy? Is baby noisy? Okay.
I'm sorry, teacher.
Okay, no problem. Oh, now number 3. What is your answer?
And add the car and one the animal hot no car.
Ah, okay. So your answer is a horse because the horse is an animal and not a car. Next one, number 4.
Any children on the route and four children under the sea.
Okay, very good. So, your answer is picture number 3 because the children are on the sea. So let's check. Number 1, book, correct. 2 is a towel, correct. 3 is a horse. And number 4 is okay, Jenny. So the answer in number 4 is picture 4 because they are inside the house and 1, 2, 3 they are outside. Okay. All right. So you got 3 points now. Okay. So just in time, we are finished in the first part, Jenny. Okay. Now let me open one more. Wait for me. Ay, what's this? Okay, let's continue. Okay, so again, this one is the continuation of speaking. So Jenny, find the difference between the two pictures, okay? Oh, you encircle your answers.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Oh, you must answer 5 again.
tất cả các cây đều có nhiều lá nhưng
Okay, finish answering. Oh, I cannot hear you now. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, tell me if you're finished now.
Okay.
Okay, so now explain your answers, Jenny. Okay, what is your answer now?
The picture one.
Okay, picture one.
Picture one.
What is it?
Picture one. The boy in the picture one has short number 4 and the boy in the picture two has short number 7 3.
Okay. What's next?
The two trees in the fourth picture the two trees in the fourth picture have many picture one have many leaves and the picture two have a have picture two do not have many leaves.
Okay, not many leaves. What else?
Picture one.
Mm-hmm.
Picture one. The cat is color purple, and picture two. The cat is color yellow.
Okay, color yellow. Or what else?
The one know the boy next to the girl, and picture two have the boy next to the girl.
Oh, there's a boy next to the girl. Okay, and then?
Picture one is rabbit is jump, and picture two is dog jump.
The dog jumped.
Yeah, picture one have a
Uh-huh.
to the small bone, and picture two have the two more bone.
Okay, very good. Oh, is that your answer now? Okay, now let's check. So here, describe. Okay, now here there are 3 people, but there are 4 people. Next, purple and yellow scarf, leaves and no leaves. Numbers 46 and 73, and there's a rabbit and a frog. Okay, but all your answers are correct. So I will give you 5 perfect points. Okay. So next one, Jenny, let's talk about your English classes in school. Okay, now Jenny, what day do you have your English classes? What day do you have your English class at school?
I have English class on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday.
Oh, okay. Now, who do you sit next to the class?
My friend name is Yuen and Anne.
Again, what's the name of your friend?
My friend is Anne. Yeah.
How do you read it? An and when?
Ian.
When?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So now, what do you think about English, Jenny? Is it difficult or easy?
Easy.
Easy, yes, because you're very good in talking in English now. Okay, now, Jenny, tell me something about your English teacher at school. What is the name of that teacher?
Mr. Tom.
Mr. Tam.
Yeah.
Oh, that is a boy.
The girl.
Ah, girl. Okay.
Mr. No, Mr.
Oh, no, mister. It must be miss. Okay, not mister. It must be miss. Okay, now, do you think your teacher is already old or young?
The O.
Ah, old. How old is she?
Yeah.
46. Ah, okay, so your teacher is old. Okay. Oh, by the way, Jenny, do you know that you won in the Ring the Bell competition in Pantado?
No.
Oh, you won it. So the center will give you your reward. We'll send you something as a gift. Oh, you know it? Wait, I will send it to you.
Not have the president in the Panadol.
Yeah, because they will send it to you, okay? I will send the picture to you. And then you read it. Okay, send it now to your Facebook Messenger.
What?
I send it in your messenger. You read it, okay? Oh, you didn't know that you won in the competition?
What?
You didn't know that you won in the competition in the Ring the Bell?
Ring the bell in my lesson in the book. I know the book.
Did you join? Did you join the competition in Pantado?
What, teacher?
Did you join the contest?
Drawing.
Join. Oh, I send it messenger. I sent.
Teacher, my phone now is no pin. Teacher, hear my phone, mom.
Okay. Oh, I will send it. Okay, I send it now. You read it.
Yeah, mom.
Oh.
1 minute.
Oh, you tell your mom.
Yeah.
Is this your address, Jenny? 1661 Hamlet of Quang Phat, Quang Tien Commune, Trang Bom District, Dong Nai Province. Is this your address?
My yellow.
Okay. Okay. Oh, you know now that you won the competition, Jenny? Oh, you know it now?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So, just wait for your gift, okay? Because they will send a gift to you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, well, anyway, Jenny. So, our time is up for tonight. So, wait a minute. Okay, so I'm going to see you again, Jenny. Wait a minute. Maybe we can have a makeup class tomorrow. Are you available tomorrow? Tomorrow, tomorrow night.
So study at tomorrow is 9 o'clock.
Yes, 9 o'clock p.m. Okay, same time tomorrow. Okay.
Tomorrow is study.
Yeah, because teacher is absent for Christmas. That's why we have to study tomorrow. Is it okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, all right. Okay, just send me a message in Messenger if you're not available tomorrow. It's okay. All right?
Alright.
Okay, chúc ngủ ngon.
Chúc ngủ ngon, teacher.
Good night.